Leader, medyo re-recall natin yung mga... Kung ano lang po yung kaya niyang start po tayo ng leader. Paano po kayo napasali ng Hero po?
Ako, nung yung first recruitment, 1970.
Opo. Sa first batch po talaga kayo ng members?
Crown.
Crown. Okay.
Sa school o sa St. Joseph.
Opo. Ba't po kayo napasali?
Kasi yung parents ko active sa parish. So, parang sabi ko, at saka supportive naman sila.
Apo.
So, na-encourage ako na sumali sila sa team.
Ano mga batchmates niyo, leader? Mga kabatch
Si
niyo po?
Leader Ellen Aguilar. At saka Leader Leng Lava. Sa boys, si Leader James. Marlon Santos. Yung husband ko, si Leader Emily Ocampo. Pero pupasok siya. Christine na yata. Pero kabatch ko siya.
Opo. Can you share some personal stories po?
Yung kidnap episode nung Tagaytay.
Opo. Si po,
Henry.
kapatid ni Leader Bernie.
Si Henry.
Opo. Sa mga special activities, leader?
The usual, yung ating Hero Olympics, UN Day, syempre yung Christmas, New Year. Tsaka yung noon, after ng Christmas na misa, nag-exchange gift yung mga leaders.
Ay, opo.
Grabe nga yung noon, di magkikiroling ka, no? Tapos matatapos ka, syempre, mas mahaba minsan yung kainan, yung
yung pagkatapos po.
matatapos ka 12:00, minsan 1:00. Tapos simbang gabi.
Diretso po. How did you become a national leader?
Nung nag-turn over si Father Gavers kay Father Leo, the next year, he died. He died na, no? So, then, ganun din yung bali, and then, in-announce na the secretariat will be transferred to Las Piñas Provincia.
Opo.
Nangyari, ako na yung natirahan, parang appointment. Pero,
Ni Father Leo po? Or...
Father Leo.
Opo.
Karoon din ako ng counterpart sa boys na national leader. Una ako lang.
Opo.
Kasi syempre, pa lang, Leader Dick De Leon.
Dick De Leon. Yung pa ang naging kapartner niya.
Kapartner ko. Leader Dick De Leon. Roderick yata pangalan.
Saan? Ibang group po siya?
Oo, Pasig.
De Leon. May mga projects na
Isa sa mga namin is yung Flame.
Okay po. So, yun yung mga
National Training Camp na gano'n.
For leaders po.
For leaders. Then you get to know. Nakikilala mo yung mga different leaders. Nag-visit kasi ako sa mga local groups. So yung accommodation nila, grabe talaga. Ako yung very significant sa akin yung trip to Belgium. Nagkaroon ng bagong perspective. Yung ma-meet mo yung iba-ibang nationalities. Tapos yung parang tipong, may ganun pala. Parang kasi pag 1 week conference, tapos 1 month kami sa Belgium, nag-iintay lang kami ng trip pabalik, pauwi. Ngayon, tawag dito, nag-exposure kami sa Belgium. sinusulat ko na yung history, yung press planters, yung basta marami. Tapos yung, hindi ko ma-insert yung napakaliit lang ng Belgium, pero napaka-progressive.
So, gano'n kayo katagal sa Kiro Leader? So, from 1970,
nag-stop lang ako nag-turn over na kay Leader Edgar. Yung World Youth Day 1995.
Last question na Leader, message for the future generation of members sa Ka-Leaders.
I think I wouldn't be who I am now. Not for the
Hero song.
To keep the Hero fire burning. Always have Christ in your heart and lives. Keep your loyalty in Christ and for the sake of the Filipino youth.
I was assigned at the district, and then this made me exposed to the different groups until I became national leader. And nakakaingit ang Kiro ngayon kasi well organized, no? Everything has every need has its kung ako tatanungin nyo, ako sa Flame, we have Flame, we still have Flame. Ako sa training program, ako sa group visitation, and so on. So, well, it was a one-man job, pero I do not know how I was able to survive from 1983 to 1995. And then, being given the bigger responsibility, I was given the chance, just like you, to attend international conventions. So it was really something for me wherein my horizons were expanded from the local to the international. But any of these gatherings of this camp, I think there's one thing that you will experience, and that you will gain a new friend, right? You always gain a new friend in these new experiences. So those are the memories. There are so many. Kiro is 70 years. So many things have passed by, and though the memories may be gone, the spirit still remains. So, we're looking forward to our Diamond anniversary, 75th, and we are passing on the torch to you young people, and please take good care of it. And I know you will, because by this event, I have seen your dedication and your dedication and your love. So for me, Kiro is serving young people and being loyal to Christ our King. Thank you.
And blessed evening to everyone, Kiro Beats.
Sasabihin ko sana, pakisabi sa katabi niyo, masaya ako, nandito ka. Medyo i-revise ko, masaya ako, nandito ka pa. Okay, pwede pakisabi po sa katabi ninyo, masaya ako, nandito ka pa.
Masaya ako.
Okay.
Go. Masaya ka.
Kaya na kasi ito, isang notebook tong babasahin ko para sa Leader EJ, pakitime man ako. Tingnan ko kung mabibigay ko yung record ko, no? Okay. Nahilingan ako magbigay ng gratitude speech in behalf of those who have been national Kiro leaders from Kiro Las Piñas. Sabi nga ni Leader Judith, ang tawag dito, we have 6 of them. Okay? So, that will be Leader Noel Catalbas, Leader Edgar Montano, a silent prayer for him kasi he passed away already. Leader Richard Balang. Leader Richard, tayo naman. Nasaan ka? Leader Richard. Leader Olan Vera Cruz and Leader Michelle Brolanda. I would like to thank Kiro in general for the privilege of serving Kiro Pilipinas. Okay. And let me take this opportunity to share with you my personal journey as a national leader, as a Kiro, and so on. There came a point in my life, yung pagkatapos sa mga reunion, o yung nakikita ko sa FB, na some of my colleagues or my contemporaries are successful, they are rich, they are abroad, and so on. And sometimes, di naman sana, it makes me a little sad. But then, parang parang may wake-up call ako. A voice is telling me, Evie, you don't have to be sad about those things. Those are only worldly riches. I would like to share with you, magbubuhat na po ako ng mako. I received the St. Joseph Parish Award when I was, when I graduated from 4th year high school. So it's a big privilege, no? It's not academic, but it's a St. Joseph Parish Award. And then I also received the Gawad Lasaliano because I gave recollections in Lasal. Thank you for Leader Richard Balang's invitation. Palakpakan naman natin si Leader Richard. And then last year, ang tawag dito, I received an award for the national like this, no? And now here, the culmination of the 50th anniversary of Kiro Philippines. So, parang God is telling me, ano ba naman, Evie, pagpapalit mo ba yung mga experiences, yung mga gifts, no? Yung mga natanggap mo by being a Kiro member. So, I was parang, sorry Lord, I overlooked that, and for now, I am very grateful. Saglit lang, medyo lola nyo. Okay. Thanks to now my words of gratitude for the people I want to thank. First of all, I want to thank my parents who are already in heaven because they are the examples of parish involvement, service, and so on. Parang hindi ako nagdalawang isip na sumali sa Kiro kasi nasa parokya din ang mga magulang ko. And also, can I ask the people I will call to please stand and wave? Okay. Stand and wave. Okay. Leader Max San Miguel and Leader Judith De La Paz for being here with us tonight. Acknowledgements. Okay. Thanks to the alumni, leaders and members who have been family to me. Hindi lang kagrupo pero kapamilya. let's give them a big round of applause, please. Thanks to the present Kiro leaders and members who are committed to continuing Kiro for the next 50 years. Palakpakan natin. For the committee members who made this event possible, let's give them a round of applause. For the coffee table book team who are really working so hard to come up with this. Okay, and never be tired, shall never, Kiro shall never, Kiro shall never, Kiro shall never be tired. Kaya natin Tagalogin. Ang Kiro'y di mapapagod, di mapapagod. Kiro, di mapapagod, di mapapagod. Kiro, di mapapagod, di mapapagod, di mapapagod. I hope you like the song. And I would like to ask you to repeat after me. Papurit pa sa salamat sa Panginoon.
Papurit pa sa salamat sa Panginoon.
Kiro Las Piñas.
Kiro Las Piñas.
Ika-50 taon.
Ika-50 taon.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo.